Hey guys, this is a follow-up video of my Temu light which I told you I was going to return, and the news is I'm not returning this light anymore. As you will see, it's playing quite a role here. Watch this. So it's playing a role there. I've decided that I'm not going to return this in order to get I'm not going to return this in order to get a softbox light. I'm going to get the softbox lighting in addition to this one. This one really does a good job. So I'm only using this brighter light of it. This is the brightest, so it's not the best of lights, honestly. Like, it's too plasticky. It's not the best, honestly, but I found a use for it and I'll just keep it there. So normally I would use my reflector to do the same thing, you know, but it's not just the same effect. Maybe I'll get my reflector and try as well, because it's still up for return this week. So maybe I'll get my reflector and try this. Should I do it now? Here my reflector is supposed to pop out of. The legs of my tripod are just right there. So let me see if I can make a few changes. Get my reflector out, turn off this light, use the reflector and see if it's the same effect, because now this light is tilted towards me. So maybe if my reflector is here, we're gonna see if the reflector can replace this. If you're watching, please stay tuned. Okay, gonna move the light to, okay. Yo, this is going to shake everything. This is so going to shake everything. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, so we're putting things back in their position. You come back to me here. You come back to tilt towards me here, while you come back to me here. Okay, and then I'll brush my hair. Okay, our objective right now is to see if we can turn up this light and use a reflector. So first off, this is a reflector. I don't have that much space in front of me. So now let's see, we're turning it off. We've already taken this light off away from our face. Let's take it off, and then let's put a reflector in its place. Let's take off the reflector. Release reflector. There is effect to an extent, you get. So we're getting effect of the reflector, but it's not the same as when you have extra light. I hope you guys understand. So it's so not the same thing. Now let me turn up the reflector. Enable. So I want to see what happens when the reflector slaps against the Temu light. If I have light on the other side of my face. I kind of do. It brings like this silverish beauty, if you notice. Let's turn it off. Maybe it was all in my head. Oh, you see it now. Guys, I know you're probably wondering why I'm making all of these lighting videos, but I'm really trying to reorganize my content and I'm being very strategic about what I'm doing. I've been buying filming equipment for years now. Sometimes I ask myself, what are you really doing? I've always wanted to be a filmmaker, so I want to have sufficient lighting and I want to get right into it. No playing around. I've been making videos in Nigeria with a crew, but now I want to like be hands-on and not just be someone who's like just only the project manager. I want to know a lot about being a gaffer. I want to know a lot about angles. I've been studying directing. I just want to know all of these things, and just, you know, it's what I really want to do, is what I really enjoy doing. And I'm loving my setup now. You're probably not seeing it, but I have this guy, my young Noah light, and the cap on top of it. I don't know if I can bring it to you without it going off. It probably will go off because the wire is very short. I don't know, I no longer have batteries for it. I think I need to buy batteries for that. My lighting has changed. Oh yeah, that's true. This one that was under me has gone off. So yes, as you see, I have no reason to return the light anymore, and I'm keeping it. Hold on. I was worried about opening the tripod today, but I said, okay, let's just do it. So I opened the tripod, and oh my god, I actually even love the tripod. It's small, it's portable. I'm gonna put it in my school bag and also use it for my camera. So if you watched the previous video, I want to say I changed my mind. I'm keeping it. I love it now because I found use for it. But let me still practice nightfall in my room, because you know the idea is to have sufficient light so that when I have like a brainwave at midnight, I will be able to shoot a movie even if it's midnight. I'm looking at that. If you're watching, what do you think? Like, it's good, right? I can film like this at midnight. I'm also buying like extra lighting for the back so that it shines. You know, Christmas is coming, and I'm such a girl. I'm such a girl. So Christmas is coming, and I'm just so excited to that it's just gonna help as practical lights. Hold on. Don't look too much at my outfits. Just, I'm trying to see if I can get more light from here. Ooh. Okay, so now if I were to film at night, oh, sorry, one part of my window is still open. But if I were to film in the midnight, this is kind of what I'm going to get. So my ISO is 200. Oh no! You can feel the joy, right? You can feel the joy. I'm excited. I'm keeping the light. I think I touched my lighting too much. I'm excited and I'm keeping the light. And for those of you who are just joining, who are just seeing this video, it cost me €1.84 to get this light. And that's because it has this small control here. And it cost me that much because I used my Temu credit to buy it. Thank you, Temu. Even though this video is not sponsored, I'm so excited because all my years of shopping online, nobody has ever given me like free credits or free money to buy stuff. So I'm a happy girl with a happy light. I'm gonna put aluminum foil around the edges, around the wings, you know, so that it casts extra light. It just sort of reflects. That is going to be so beautiful. Do you want to see it now? Should we do it now? Let's see, because I got time. I got time and nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. Oh. Ouch. Sorry, I can't reach my foil right now. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Let me know what you think about the light. Bye.